harm.
Oh, okay.
Kevin, hear me?
All right.
He don't mean no harm. You know,
Yeah.
Tyree is his brother, real brother. Maurice is both of their dads. You hear me?
Yeah.
Kevin,
Yeah.
get my baby, and you bring him home to me.
If I see him, I will. Okay, I promise. Try to have a good day. Okay?
On December the 5th, 2023, at approximately 1:50 p.m., officers with the Columbus Division of Police were dispatched on a call about two women fighting. They eventually determined that the fight was involving two drug addicts who were fighting over some dope that the other refused to share. Oddly enough, the most interesting thing about this call was a random drunk woman with a hammer and a Pitbull who kept walking by. They initially believed the woman was a suspect out of the fight, but it turns out she had nothing to do with the call. She just liked the attention.
Can you stay out of the car, okay?
Okay.
Okay, what's your name? What?
Amber.
Huh?
Amber Wheeler.
Amber what?
Wheeler.
Amber Wheeler?
Yeah. I would say I'm Amber.
Did you get her name?
What? You give me like that, sir.
Huh?
Why you give me like that?
I can't hear you.
I'm like right now. You're like, I'm like smirking at me like I'm not. Like you don't believe me, sir.
Okay.
Huh?
Where you been staying at, Amber?
Why?
Where you been staying at?
Why?
Because you're out here causing some sort of scene, and I'm trying to figure out where you belong.
I'm gonna get it.
You're gonna keep yelling? You don't have a voice left to yell.
I keep talking. I have a voice. You know.
Sure, I guess.
What?
Nothing.
What?
I don't know what you're saying, miss. I'm sorry. That looks more like her.
Is there a female over there, young? That chick's been out here all day, too.
The dog?
We're looking for someone who has a matching one like that.
She's yelling, but I don't know what she's saying. What?
That chick's been here all day.
Suspect out of what?
Who? No, she's not.
You know her? Fucking crosswalk.
Get the cross, goddamn person. They just like the white person up. They don't like you.
Same really don't.
Huh?
You just like the white person up, so we ain't got no chance.
Lock the white person up. What's going on with her?
I don't know that lady.
She says you know her.
Man, well, stop lying, Kinsel.
Okay.
Stop lying. Don't
Okay.
lie. Say hi. Say goodbye. Now, I don't like this.
No, you have to sit down, okay?
What?
Same girl I dealt with this morning. Though.
Man, bitch, you act like I don't know your ass, bitch.
Same. That's when I was like, oh yeah, she's acting out.
And I said, fuck you, nigga. Y'all killed my motherfucking baby.
Yeah, which I didn't kill. I didn't kill your baby.
Nigga, Tyree, nigga, anybody with a bag.
I don't know who Tyree is.
Tyree King, nigga.
I don't know. I don't know. I don't
Google
know.
him?
Google it.
Why would we Google him? Why don't you just tell him who he is?
My son.
Okay. And I'm sorry that happened. I had nothing to do with it. Neither did he.
So guess what?
What's your name?
I gotta ask you. I gotta say my name.
Yeah, you do.
Yeah, you do.
For what?
Why? Or you can get in handcuffs.
For what? Why?
We're being told that you're the suspect out of something.
Hey, you said you know me?
Yeah.
You said you know. She said no. She just said it. She just looked at
It don't matter. We did. Either tell us or you go to cuffs. Just do it. I'm just trying to make this simple. Okay? We're not trying to be mean. We're just trying to get done with this.
Mike Seward already told me earlier when I talked to him after you.
Okay.
Stop harassing.
Okay.
Mike Seward.
Okay.
That's harassing.
Okay, well let us harass you. What's your name?
No. For what? What's the reason why you asking me?
We were just told that you were the suspect out of something.
A suspect of what?
Thank you.
Out of whatever she's trying to report.
So what? So what is it for?
They said you're the suspect. Can I get
Of
your
what?
name? Of a crime.
Of what crime?
I don't have to tell you that.
What crime? Because I'm not even from out here.
It
So
don't matter.
what
Either
crime?
time or you're going in handcuffs.
Where you live at?
Huh? I
Where you
live
live
at
at?
1294 Colonial Village. You know it's getting shut down. So we got to
Oh,
worry
yeah, you don't
about
live
where
there
we gonna
anymore.
go.
Okay.
Yeah, worry about where we got to go.
So you used to be living
Huh?
there. Okay.
No, till the 31st.
So it got shut down until the 31st? Okay.
My son's out here. They ran away. I'm looking for my baby.
Okay.
Looking for my babies. My Tony, Caroline.
Okay.
They steal cars and shit.
Yeah.
Before y'all kill them, I'm
You
gonna
want
find
to just 3-year-old
How
playing
about
on the
that?
phone? I'm talking to the homeowner right
How
now.
about that?
Okay.
Kids, I know you ain't with the shit. You
I
know,
ain't with the shit.
You ain't with the shit.
I don't know what the
You
hell
a
that
hood
means.
cop.
Huh?
You a hood cop. That's what I
Yeah?
said.
Okay.
You ain't with that bullshit. You
Okay.
ain't with that motherfucker type, the motherfucker take a motherfucker down innocently.
Right.
He a rookie. You
Oh.
understand his place?
Okay.
Okay.
Are you stalling?
Listen,
Can
kids.
you just answer the
I'm
question?
talking to you kids.
All right.
Hey, look.
All right. All
I'm
right.
walking the block.
Okay.
You're about to go to
That's
handcuffs.
it.
Can I
That's
get
all.
your ID then?
Huh?
Can I get your ID?
Go.
Thank you.
For what?
For some whatever nonsense that girl over there is spewing.
You should ask me. I got a right to know.
Yeah, we can tell you. Here in a
Yeah.
second.
Would you stop talking to me,
Just
crap?
do it. Hurry
See-
up. Come on.
She claimed that
It's
you.
raining, man, come
I
on.
don't got it. How about that?
Okay, I don't want to stand out here. And I don't want to be with you either. You don't want to be with me.
I'm gonna ask for the
194 to
rate.
190. Is this lady?
You'll do
We
it.
need her ID for something.
For what? For what, though, Kenzel?
No, completely
For what?
unrelated.
You know the rights. Come on
Copy.
now.
Thank you.
Well, the barbershop.
Kenzel. For what?
She's over there cracked out on something,
I'm not
and
that
she
though.
said, yeah, but she said that's the girl,
I just asked her.
huh?
I just asked her. I said, do you know me? She said, no.
Right? Yeah.
I don't know these people.
Something.
You ain't
Yeah.
never seen me, Kenzel, out here.
I seen you earlier today.
You know, yeah, you see me already out here.
Yeah, and you
Yeah.
pissed on the
Buzzing right.
sidewalk.
Huh?
Yeah, you
I'm
do.
gonna piss on you to keep fucking with me.
Yeah, you know you won't.
Yeah, he likes
I can't
that.
try.
Yeah.
No, he look like
Try.
me.
Yeah, he does. He does. All right.
Hey,
Well,
Gilliam,
yeah.
listen on them. Gilliam was my baby, you right?
What's
You hear
that?
me? Gilliam, that was my baby. You know, when they let him go from that forest, my nigga, cause he got too deep, my baby. Listen, I don't trust none of that, Kenzel. You've been on here too long.
Yeah. All right.
So let that stop. Hey, okay?
All right.
Kenzel,
Yeah.
you don't even know me.
Yeah. All
You
right.
ain't never seen me out here, Kenzel.
No, I haven't.
Okay? So
Take it
listen,
easy.
tell him to stay in his place.
Okay.
Please,
Can I get your
Kenzel.
first name? That way, when I see you again, I'll be able to say,
You
hey.
ain't gonna see me again,
All right.
Kenzel.
So I don't have to be like, hey, the crazy lady with the hammer and the
That's
dog.
That's a bullshit. I'm trying to control him. That's a bullshit. Hey, listen, Kenzel. Listen, you know
Yeah.
I know you from Money Earning.
Yeah.
Hey, listen, when Bodell. Hey, look. I'm gonna leave it at that.
All right. You have a good day, okay,
You
ma'am?
know, Kenzel, I'm gonna have that. You better train your hoes.
All right.
You hear me?
Yeah.
Train them like
I
you
hope
trained
you.
them.
Yeah. I hope you.
Johnson.
Yeah.
You hear me?
Yeah.
With Vincent. Hey, train them in.
Okay. I hope you find somewhere to stay next
No.
month, okay?
They ain't gonna let us, Kenzel.
I know. I hope you find somewhere else. All right. Well,
They
best
ain't
of
gonna
luck
let
to
us.
you, okay?
Now find my baby.
Where they
My
at?
Tony.
Mine Tobin?
My Tony. Caroline.
My Tony? Like that's his first name? My
Yeah, the one
Tony?
with the dreads.
The one
You
with the
got
dreads?
The first time.
Huh?
And you took on Long Street. Kenzel.
Well, I don't ever work on Long Street.
Kenzel. You drive them off on Long Street.
Me? Yeah, I've worked the West Side my entire life.
Yeah, you in a stolen car.
Oh, okay.
Kenzel. You hear me?
All right.
He don't mean no harm. You know,
Yeah.
Tyree is his brother, real brother. Maurice is both of their dads. You hear me?
Yeah.
Kenzel,
Yeah.
get my baby, and you bring him home to me.
If I see him, I will, okay? I promise. Try and have a good day, okay?
Don't you let them rookies get my baby.
I'm gonna try
Act
not
like
to.
I don't know.
Okay?
Just like when you caught my dad Dawson.
Okay. Take it
Yeah.
easy, all right?
You know it, man.
All right.
Get out of here. Hey, tell them hoes stand there play. Hey, how the fuck did motherfucking Klein? God damn it. motherfucker. No! Klein!
You dropped your... Hey,
Hey, Klein, just shut up. Just shut your
who
ass
is
up.
Klein?
Klein! Carl!
You dropped your rum.
Yeah, I got my hand.
Or your... I know you dropped your vodka. No, I didn't. You dropped your vodka right behind you.
What about your head? What about your zipper? What about your zipper? You dropped your zipper.
No, you dropped your...
You dropped your zipper.
Ma'am, look on the... By the light pole. By the light pole.
Hard in a bit.
Have a good day. Is that your ex-girlfriend or something?
I feel terrible for that dog.
I had a bad interaction. Dog's nice.
You're probably gonna beat that dog with that hammer.
That's what she said it's for. Keep the dog in line.
She hit the dog.
No, she acted like she was going to.
Where'd she go?
She's in the medic. That's the suspects or the mutual combatant shoe.
I don't know what that girl's on.
Alcohol.
Yeah.
He said they taught him in the academy to sniff the shoe and go around sniffing other people's feet to find out who it belongs to.
That was this like
Hey, come on, what are you doing? Come on, man. Hey, can't be drinking in public either.
Hey, Steve.
You know what? I'm about
Hey,
to
look,
dump that
you
out.
and Klein. Y'all motherfuckers something else. You hear me?
Hey, I'm gonna take that alcohol
Hey,
and I'm
look,
gonna dump it
Tom.
out. Please.
I'm going to go.
Go. Come on.
Hey, look, Steve. How many niggas you done lined up?
I don't like you're holding that hammer.
I mean, like, take the handcuffs off type shit.
Where are you heading to?
He the hellbone praise. But tell niggas crafters, stay in the lane.
Hey, quit drinking.
Stop sucking dick.
That's a good one.
Hey, look, these hood cops. They don't play with that shit. Nigga, that's petty.
All right. God bless you.
Get your dick sucked first.
I can't turn my back. I'm thinking she's gonna come up behind me and
Hell.
bam. Should have took her shit. Usually I
I'm
would.
not
But
having-
I'm not trying to put you guys in a weird situation. I was about to just take her shit. All right, I'm about to take your booze and dump it out right now. Just relax. Go to home and go drink it. Go to sleep. Just
Probably
go
go get
away.
out of the rain for a little while. You're getting wet.
Man, Steven, man, decline, get wet. Get,
I'm gonna get that booze. You better get it.
Try
I'm
eating
gonna
more
get your
carrots.
food.
My boobs?
Yeah, you heard me.
I don't got no boobs.
You see the real one standing still looking at you like, shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. Hey, you ever got your dick sucked? Of course, so. Hey, look, have a seat, nigga. Have a seat. All the way down, nigga. All the way. No, sit down. It's wet, but go well. Sit down, Cash.
I looked at address the airport. There was a 17 there a couple weeks ago.
See, look. You surrounded by real ones. You're gonna learn a lot.
Alright. I will.
If you don't, you'll get fucked up. There's only about 32 of them
Lay off that
that
booze.
lasted. Pay attention. All right, y'all. Have a nice day.
Oh, come on. Get
I
away.
gotta stay on west side.
I love the
Come back
west
on
side.
south, my baby. What up? What's wrong with you? Worried about
Hey, I'm
what?
being 100% with you.
Listen, I'm being down.
I don't want to take you to jail. but
Okay,
you're,
well, turn
you're
your camera
drunk.
on.
You're drunk in public.
Turn
Okay?
your camera on.
Sure. You're drunk in public. You're
Turn
walking
it
down the road. Okay. You gotta
Every
stop.
night.
You gotta stop.
That ain't nothing but a misdemeanor. You wasting your
I
time.
know, but you don't go to jail.
Damn.
You wanna go to
should
jail,
really
lose your
learn
dog?
from your people.
The dog goes to, Animal
Yeah.
Protective Service or whatever the hell it's called.
And guess where you gonna go?
And then you're never gonna see your dog
You
again.
gonna get on your knees and have to pray for forgiveness because you done locked the innocent dog up.
Alright, can you go, please?
Damn.
Let's go home. I don't want to take you to jail. I really don't. I don't want to spend any more time with you than you want to spend
Okay.
with me. So just, please go.
You got too many superiors around you.
Yes, I do.
God damn.
They're expecting me to get this done with. So, come on, let's go. Please.
Man, where Batman at, my baby?
Yeah,
What
we're just...
up? When she rolling, we ain't dead.
Huh?
Why'd you make her so angry?
She's not angry at me. She loves me.
Oh, okay. Smooth things over?
Yeah, yeah.
Go, come on. Go.
Yeah, I played with her dog. I gave her a fist pump. Man, here we go way back. I dropped her. I could get her a sticker, but I ran out. Fucking bell.
Long way from the door. I guess ultimately just waiting to see if she goes to the hospital. She would be going for medical related, not any of this.
Yeah.
Well, she's
Yeah, is she a suspect to anything?
No. So it
just-
was my original 26. Two
Who
girls
likes
fighting.
snitches over here?
She was a losing
Which
end
one
of
of y'all
the
like
initial
snitches?
26. They were friends fighting over dope.
Yeah.
She went and shared the dope with the chick. So, and then they ran up here. The other chick chased her, and the other chick ran out of her shoe, and then I got her purse and gave it back to
So
her.
this person here is just
She's just been here all day walking back and forth.